There's 23.5 dozen different water bottles on the internet, and not one of them does exactly what it says it's going to do, but I'm determined to find one that does. So I got the new ice shakers, and they're apparently supposed to stay cold for like 30 hours, which is insane. So I'm going to test both of these in 2 different environments to see if they actually work. Let's do it. This first one here, that is a really cute design. We are going to test with just ice and water. I do think it's cool they have this little agitator in the lid here, so that way you can put your protein powders and give it a good shake. You can even put fruit in here and kind of like infuse your water. So that's a plus on this bottle. Filling it up with ice. Put the lid on. Got our first test subject. We'll just place it right here on the counter. Call it good. Okay, so for this second one, look how fun this is. We're going to put this in a crock pot. We're also going to put ice and water in here as well. What we're going to do is put this in this crock pot here. Water on the bottom. Actually going to set it on its side here. Lid on it. We'll check it in 30 hours. We'll be back in 30 hours. Okay, so it has been 36 hours, so we're gonna check on everything. I will say that the crock pot method in that test was a complete fail. Of course, it warmed up the water inside. It was too hot for me to even grab this. It created so much pressure that the lid actually ended up opening. So that's a no-go. I'm not sure what I was trying to implement here, maybe a hot car, but that's definitely gonna be a lot hotter than a hot car. So that was a fail, but let's check on the other one that we set on the counter here. Okay, so we have it right here. Don't hear any ice. Let's see how cold it is. I did shake this last night at like 10 o'clock at night, so that would have put it at like 11 hours, and there was still ice in here for sure. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's for sure still very, very cold. Definitely no ice, but it's still cold as if the ice just melted. That's pretty insane, you guys. So the ice shaker cup, this not only has really cute designs for sure. Look at this one. This one's really adorable, but it actually does hold your liquids really super cold for 30 plus hours, which is crazy. And the cool thing is that this was actually developed by an ex-NFL player. Do I think this is worth the price? Yeah, I do, because water bottles can actually be more expensive than what these are. A lot of great features. It actually does hold your liquids to be really cold. I can't wait to test out how hot it keeps your liquids and for how long. Don't put it in a crock pot. You don't want to do that apparently. Yeah, if you're just looking to have ice water and it to be really cold for all day, you're going to be super solid. And even if you didn't drink it all day and you left it overnight, still going to be super cold for you. So I'm going to have this one tagged below if you want to check it out. Look at all the cool colors that they have. I have a lot of water bottles, and this is definitely one of my favorites.